Hello everyone, myself A. Sai Supriya from CSC C section and my roll number is 20951A05F3. Welcome to the Tech Talk video of Basic Electrical Engineering, and my topic is necessity of 3-point starters and its working. What is a 3-point starter? A 3-point starter is an electrical device used for starting as well as maintaining the DC shunt motor speed. The connection of resistance is this circuit is in series, which decreases the initial high current and guards the equipment against any electrical failures. Here the occurrence of back EMF plays an essential role in operating the motor. This EMF extends when the armature of motor starts for rotating in the magnetic field by making the action as well as opposes the voltage supply. This is the 3-point starter device. Working of a 3-point starter. The DC shunt motor gets the full speed. The voltage supply in the circuit is straight across both the motor's windings. The R resistance is totally cut out. The H handle in the circuit is held in run condition with an electromagnet strengthened by an NVC. NVC means here no volt trip coil. This NVC coil can be coupled in series with the motor fielding winding. In the incident turned off or dropped below a fixed value, then the NVC will get energized. By the act of S spring, the handle H is released as well as pulled back to the off condition. At first, when a DC supply is turned on by H handle in the off position, then the handle will move CLK wise direction to the study 1. Stud. The winding of the shunt field is directly associated across the voltage supply as the total resistance in the beginning is included in series with the armature circuit. If the voltage supply is unexpectedly disrupted, then the no volt discharge coil is demagnetized as well as the H handle goes back to the off location in the pull of the spring. If no volt coil were not utilized, then there will be a supply failure. The H handle would stay on the last stud. If the voltage supply is returned, then the DC motor will be openly allied across the supply, resulting in an extreme armature current. Drawbacks of a 3-point starter. The main drawback of the 3-point starter is it experiences from a major drawback of motors by a huge difference of speed with a modification of the field rheostat. To amplify the motor speed, the field resistance must be amplified, so the flow of current throughout the shunt field is decreased. This is all about 3-point starter and its working. It is used to restrict high initial current and protects from no voltage, over voltage and under voltage. The main drawback of this 3-point starter is a large difference of speed. This is the point starter circuit diagram. Thank you.